Want to get your own Gmail account, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account. Note that I'll be demonstrating this process on an iPhone, but you can use any smartphone or your desktop browser to sign up. Now let's get started. To create a Gmail account, open your preferred web browser and go to mail.google.com. Then click Create Account. Now choose if you're making this account for personal use, for your child, or for business purposes. Enter your first and last name, then click Next. Then enter your birth date and gender, and click Next. Then you can choose what you want your Gmail address to be. Pick one of the pre-made options Google has created, or tap Create Your Own Gmail Address to make a custom one. Your Gmail address has to be unique, so try adding additional characters until you find one that hasn't been taken. Tap Next to move on. Now you'll need to choose a password for your account. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as numbers and symbols to make a strong password that others won't be able to guess. Type the same password into both text boxes, then tap Next. To verify your account, enter your mobile phone number. Tap Next. You'll be sent a text message with a code. Type in the code you were sent, and click Next. If you like, you can add a recovery email. This should be an alternative email address where Google can get in touch with you if you happen to forget your password or lose access to your Gmail account. Type in another email address you already have and tap Next, or tap Skip if you don't want to add a recovery email address right now. Then tap Next. Scroll through the terms and conditions and tap Agree at the bottom. After that, your Gmail account is ready to use. You'll automatically be taken to your inbox, where you'll receive an email from Google with more information about your new account. You can use your new Gmail account to sign into any Google app, including Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Gemini, and more. That's all it takes to create a Gmail account. Want more helpful tips and tricks for Google apps and services? Check out our full playlist of Google tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.